1 minute, I'll just show you. Yeah, if you have PDF of syllabus, definitely we can do that also. Okay. 1 minute, I'll just stop and I will search and I'll just 2 minutes I'll just do that. Okay.
Sir, Dr. Noor, sir.
Yes, madam. Did you post anything?
Yeah, I have shared one course syllabus in the AITP. Please have it.
I'll download, madam. In WhatsApp you have given or?
No, sir. In chat box I have shared, sir.
Okay. No, if you have PDF also, it's okay for me. Okay. Let me take it from the chat box. Okay. Let me go to the Zoom. Okay. So yeah, I will download this. There's a one subject only, now, madam.
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
As per the thing is, let me. I have downloaded that one on the desktop. This is the course. Let me open. Yeah, this is the data mining course. That is something what we have, and where we have 5 units. Okay.
Yes.
Unit 1 to unit 5. Yes or no?
Yeah. Right, sir.
Use the content of unit 1 to unit 5 and prepare a lecture notes. What is the thing is that I'm uploading this one. Okay, this document. That is something what I will be doing here. Data mining. Please use above PDF document and prepare lesson plan for 42 hours or how many hours also you can specify. Okay. From you content tip 1 to unit 1 to unit 5 and also provide reference text. So each topic. So now what is the thing is it takes this PDF, it passes that PDF and it extracts that unit 1 to unit 5 content and then it also maps the textbook, what are the textbooks we have used and it will give the 42 hours this one and refining the breakdown and it will do multiple iterations. You can see that what are the steps it is going on. Finally it provides here. So let's say that so 42-hour lesson plan has been given for the subject code and referring the 5 units. So where textbook 1 and textbook 2 has been taken. So where you can see that one is introduction to data warehouse. So overview, definition, difference between the operational databases and data warehouses. And the book that has to be referred at textbook 2. And multimedia, multidimensional data model. Again, this is the first hour, second hour, third hour, and see you can see here. So first unit you are spending 6 hours, and then unit 8 hours. Okay. So you can see that second book it is recommending to use T1 because majority people are using the T1. That's the reason. Again, it is your choice. Again, you have to validate again because this AI tool only use majority of the decision, whatever it is, majority of the people, whatever it's select only it will give. Okay. So next you can see here classification. There's a third you 10 hours is spending on this one. So where you can see that different classification techniques, and then you can also see that association analysis. Finally, cluster analysis, K-means cluster.
Recording stopped.
Okay. So this way, even you have a PDF, any document you can upload, and you can prepare a lesson plan. Again, what are the columns also you need it. Okay. Suppose you want to map your CEOs, yes or no. Sometimes they will say that you have to course objectives, yes or no, program objectives. Again, sometimes will also ask us to map. You explain that you have the program objectives of this program, and this is the course objectives. So now it will also prompt
Recording
properly,
in
it will
progress.
analyze it, and it will also map for them. Got it, sir?
Sir, yes, sir. Wonderful, sir. Nice, very nice.
Okay. So this is the part one. So you can use this way. Okay. So the second thing is I will talk about PPT. Okay. Let's use. Let me take some content which I will use. Anyhow, data mining is something where everybody aware. Okay. All the branches. Let's take it that itself. Okay. I will not take it the hardware. I will just go to this one. Okay. Let's say that I need a detailed presentation for 1 hour on data mining. Okay. With at least 2 examples each topic. Okay. So then you copy whatever the things. I've just taken the first 1 hour. So now the step is we have to make the presentation. So that's something what I'm asking my chat GPT to prepare. So please provide detailed presentation content, at least 2 examples on each topic like this one, and do this one. Okay. So I'm just prompting this. Okay. So now it provides content for me. So this is whatever I'm using is a professional version, so that's the reason why it gives very fast and other thing. And sometimes whatever open source, it will not, it will have some limitations. Okay, but I recommend you to buy it. It just Google Gemini is only 2,000 rupees per month. It's a lot for the faculty. It means you are having an assistant along with you. Anything you want, you just ask him. I really enjoyed it. Again, so it works out having this tool. So now you can see that the presentation it has been there. So you can see that what is data. So you can see that the table bullet
Recording in progress.
and you can see that so if you do that example one, you can understand what is the use of this one. And similarly, you can see that another example debit card detection finance point of view. And then even if you have some examples which is classically given in the textbook, you can also tell that I need this example in a better illustration, better approach. So that also it can provide. Again, what is the motivation challenge? So you can see that scalability is the one thing. Again, what is the example versus search engine related example is given here, and similarly IoT sensor data, there's another challenge. So again, if you want more challenges, again more examples, 3 examples, 4 examples, because being a faculty, see again, referring examples, thinking, analyzing, this is going to take a longer time. Okay, when you are teaching any subject first time, so it is good to prompt. You prompt 3 examples, 4 examples. Now choose best example what you want and put it in that one in the PPT, and then you take and then you explain. Okay, so that is something is going to really helpful for you when you are teaching this one. Okay, so you can see that totally slide number 3. You can see that origins of the data, and even with some example also given here. Okay, Similarly, you can also see other course content. So it has given totally horizon 1, slide number 3. So now let's say that you are the first time you are teaching and you need more content to do because you are also learning, and where you want to explain in detail. Let's say that it's a 60 minute 50-minute lecture, means at least you need a 30 ppts. So then please again you can reprompt, please provide at least, okay, 30 slides on above content. Okay, so then it will redefines, and let's say that 30 slides are again every minute, every 2 minutes, or you can plan accordingly 20 slides or 30 slides. That it will work on it. Again, today's point of view, you can have more examples to the student, more images you can use it. Even that image generation also you can do here. Okay, and even you can export this one to the PPT. You can see that now. See, earlier it has given how many slides? Totally 3 slides only it has given. So slide 1, and then slide 2, and then slide 3 it has given, and where it has given the description, and then it has given the examples also. Okay, again you can spread that one across the multiple slides also. Now when I am asking this one, it's to this tool itself to prepare a tool, means 30 slides, you can see here. So slide 1 where you can put the data mining and what is your name, and then you can see that what is data mining definition, what is the core idea, why we are how to study this subject, and then you can also see why data mining is needed, and what is data mining versus traditional data queries, what is the differences, and so knowledge discovery databases, what is the things are there, and again what is cleaning, integration. See, it will give more detailed content for you. Again, motivation, challenges, and the same 3 slides it will expand even detailedly. So you can see 21 slide 20 severe statistics, and then 24. So it provides like this. So only one thing is, when you are preparing any content, anything, you ensure that there should not be any repetition. Okay, that's something which you have to avoid it. Okay, got it. So this way you can use this one and you can prepare, or you want this one to be exported as a PPT. So please provide above slide. So where I'm prompting it to give the PDF, PPTX. Okay. So now it will take that content and it will, so where it will give as a presentation. So you can see that now I got a presentation. I'll just go there. So I got a PPT. So I'm just opening that PPT. We're still working on it. Yeah, we'll just wait for 1 more minute. Okay, it is creating. Okay. So it's creating the PPT. Yeah, done. So now I can click that link, whatever it has been given here. Uh, uh, download as a PPT document, PPTX document. or export as a PPTX, where it will convert into a PPTX form, and it will provide you such that you can use this one. Okay. So this way you can make the presentation. So this is the second step for you. Again, at any point of time during the preparation also, you can prompt that, ask what is the thing, what is the example, numerical problems, if you want to explain something in the classroom. All the things you can prompt it and understand that, and then you can go and teach well to the students. And again, you can make the students to understand that what is these things, and such that it will be useful to him. Okay. Uh, yeah, I have to make it initially itself export as a PPTX. Okay. So anyhow, not install. It is asking to install, but actually here itself I can ask export as a PPTX, where it will provide me a PPTX. Yeah. Any questions up to this point? So this is the one way. Second thing is, yeah. This is something how we can do that. Okay, fine. So now I hope you understood how to prepare a lesson plan and how to do presentation. So next step is, yeah, if you have anything, you can also type in the chat box. I will answer. And then next step is, now you want to prepare a question paper. Okay. So your job is also very easy. So if you have a presentation, you can upload the presentation. Okay. And where you can ask the tool to prepare a present questions for you. Let me show you one simple example. I have some presentation which I will use here. Okay. Let me take it. This is so this is a small presentation which is there for network vulnerabilities. Okay. So this is the lecture content what I have. So now what I will do, I will give this one, and I will prompt my tool to prepare a different types of question, and as well as even you can ask them to prepare an answer also. So now what I am doing is use the enclosed presentation and provide, okay, let's say that 5 numbers of, no, at least 5 questions, 5 questions, means I want provide 5 marks questions of 2 numbers, and multiple choice question. Let's say that 10 numbers, or you can also ask 5 numbers. So let's say that so again, one easy question, one easy level, and another one with analytical, or another one with reasoning, means a bit mid intermediate difficulty level. And coming to the multiple choice questions, you can have 3 easy and 2 intermediate. Please provide answers also. So where you can also get the your entire key also you can make it ready when you are preparing the question paper itself. Sorry, I have prompted wrongly. I have to do this one. I'm stopping this. So I have to add that presentation. I have not added. Now I'm uploading the presentation. Whatever I have used in my classroom, assume that. Okay. So now I'm uploading that computer vulnerabilities. Where is that? One second. I forget the file in 1 minute. Cyber security intermediate course. Okay. So I added this PPT also. You can see here I added a PPT. I'm asking I'm asking 5 marks descriptive questions. Descriptive. You have to prompt it descriptive question of 2 numbers, one easy, one intermediate one. Okay. And multiple choice of 5 numbers where 3 easy and 2 intermediate level. Also provide the answers. Okay. Okay. So I'm giving this PPT. Now it uses this PPT, it analyzes the PPT and see that it is analyzing and it provides me whatever the things I have prompted. Okay. So I hope majority of the faculty is already using, but anyhow, I'm just demonstrating this. If you want to add any points also, you can add it. We can complement each other, discuss. Okay. What you have found and other things. Okay. So I have given the PPT. Now you can see that slowly. So descriptive questions. Question easy level. List the frequently mentioned sources of security vulnerability problems in computer network. So that is first question it is asked, and even the answer also it has been provided here. Okay. And the second question, which is the intermediate level, explain the 3 major human factors that contribute to software design flaws. Okay. So that is something what it is given as a this one. Okay. So similarly, multiple choice question. So this is a descriptive question. Okay, second descriptive question and answer. So again, if you like this question, you can okay, or you can prompt it further, even little difficulty level, or ask to provide you 10 questions. Among that, you can choose some best something what you find it, or mix of this one where your skills you can use it, and again you know the students and the student set, and according to that you can frame the question paper. Okay, got it, sir? And coming to the multiple choice questions, wherever you have multiple choice questions where you can use this. So it has been given options also, and even the solutions also 5 questions it has been given. So two intermediate again. Question number 4 and 5 is intermediate, and 1 to 3 are easy level. So again, you have a challenge of this one now. You have to follow Bloom's taxonomy when you are setting the question paper now. So all those requirement it will take care. Yes. Yeah. Any questions up to this point? So we have taken that teaching related, we have taken the lesson plan related, and then presentation related. Now we came to the evaluation related, and even when you want to set up experimentation. Okay, let's say that you want to set up the experiments. Let's take a data mining topic. Okay, I'll just go to that your syllabus, whatever you are given. Okay, so use data mining. Uh, So this is entirely. So let's take So let's say that I want to set up the experiments on these topics. Okay, so I'll just copy this. See that data quality, measurement errors, noise, outliers, missing values, and duplicate. So now you want to set up the assignment problems or lab problems. Okay, so that's how we have to do. That is how we can found that I'm explaining. So please provide at least 3 assignment plus 3 laboratory experiments along with experiment on each topic and use and provide appropriate data. So now I'm prompting like this. Please provide at least 3 laboratory experiments on this topic, means each topic like measurement errors, noise, outliers, missing values, duplicate, and provide appropriate data set to train the students in the laboratory. So that is something what I'm prompting here. So now it works. So how many of you are using these tools already? Okay, is somebody already using? You can also share your experiences. So you can see here comprehensive laboratory manual outline for 15 experiment has been taken. Again, you can see how many topics: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that is measurements is 3 experiment, noise 3 experiments, outliers, missing values, duplicate data. So that is something what it has been taken. And now let's look into that one by one. So it has given already the data set initially itself. So you can see that a recommended data set. Sorry, I have this some issue in my laptop. It is a scrolling issue. 1 minute. So it has given the recommendation of 3 data sets. Okay, that's something what you can download it from this. Okay, Kaggle or this one. And then let me go to the experiment. Okay, so experiment 1. So measurement errors. Here the measurement errors means discrepancies between the measured values and true values. So that's something what we want to do here. So we want to train on topic on this one. So again, it's a synthetic height measurement data set. That is something what it created as a CSV file with 2 columns, which is a true height and measured height. Okay, that's something what it is given here. So now you can see that experiment 1.1. Again, we asked for each topic 3 experiment. No? So it has given first one. So calculate the statistical metrics to quantify the deviation of the measured value from the ground truth. It means the original value. So it means the task is that true value minus measured. That's the thing what we have to write as a program. So we'll have a we'll find out this error value. That's the absolute value what we'll find out, and then we'll compute the global metric like mean absolute error, okay, and mean square error and root mean square error. These are all the 3 things which we need to compute it here. Okay. The outcome is student understand how numerically express the magnitude of the error in the data set. That's something what this experiment is there. So now this is the problem statement only, it is given here, 1.1, whatever you are seeing here. But you want this problem also to be written as a code and other things also, solution also. So you can also prompt that one and where it will give. Again, in that case, please provide a detailed Python code or for this one to experiment in the classroom, in the laboratory. Or tools, what are the needed, other things also you can ask and you can prompt it. Okay, got it? Yeah, that's something we have to validate properly. Very good. We are already using this one. Okay. So this way you can get the experiment. So this is related to measurement. Okay. And similarly, 1.2. Another one is 1.2 is visualization systematic versus random error. Again, on the same topic, measurement only. You see that first one is measurement error we are doing. Second one is visualization of things. It means distinguish between the one second. I'll just scroll up. The second experiment. How to Yeah, you can see that. Second experiment is visualizing the systematic versus random error. So distinguish between noise and systematic bias. That's something what we are doing here. And the third one is corrosion of systematic correction of systematic error. That is something what it gives. Again, you can also prompt, even you can also ask difficult level kind of questions, or even different things you are doing. Even you can bring your research topic also, something related to that. Your data you can ask. You can ask to find out this one. That way you can formulate. In a simple way, you can train the students and you can make them to understand. So this is about one topic, and then the noise related also it has given here. So this is the noise related. Here data set is the iris data set it been used here. So noise smoothing using binning. So this is something what the problem statement is provided here. And similarly, you can also see visual detection for again this is a third problem. So because we have asked three topics here, so the second topic is the noise, third one is outliers. So let's understand that what is the thing it given as outlier. So the only thing you have to validate whether the problem statement is correct or not. So that's something what you have to do as a faculty. So data objects that deviate significantly from the rest. So that is the outlier. That's the basic definition. So it used the Boston housing data set. Okay. Or you see automobile data set it been used where price and engine size is given here. So where you can have visual detection mechanism. You can use visualization to identify the extreme values where it is a bit far from the original, whatever the things, the standard things that is there. So that way you can make them to understand what is outlier. And similarly, statistical detection. Okay. And this is the way. And what is the fourth topic is missing values. So how we can get the missing values, that is also it is given here. Okay. So this way you can also prompt and uh, set the experiments, and even before going to that, you can also verify that. You can also ask it to provide a code, and you can use it. Okay, so that way it is going to be very useful for the faculty to use these tools. I'm just using the same thing, and I will ask it to provide assignments also. So let me. So what I'm doing is I will use the same topics. So I will ask it to give at least 3 assignments. Okay. So please provide So now it will analyze and use this one. So I'm asking give the assignment problems. Okay. From that you can choose you can verify that, and then you can choose and you can give that. Even you can ask solution also here. Okay. So here it given 10 difficult assignment problems has been given. Let's see that. So the problem one is drift diagnosis. You have given a data set from 50 low-cost IoT temperature sensors deployed in the greenhouse, along with ground from the high precision reference thermometer. So that is something what it is given. And what are the tasks it has to be done? It is also detailedly explained. So even you can prompt and get the assignments and variety of assignment you can use such that there will be no repetition, because today what is happening is a student also uses this AI tools to solve these problems. Okay, that's another biggest headache. Okay, but if you are making the classroom to solve in front of you, then it means then they are learning. But if they are also prompting and using, then they are not going to have any. Means there is no effective learning will not happen there. Okay. Uh, but you, being a faculty, we have to be very smart in using these tools to formulate the problem statements and even examples and other things, such that we can train the student in a better manner. So this is about teaching learning point of view. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask me such that I can answer, and then I can move ahead in the next level. That is a research point of view, how AI tools will be useful. Yes, you have any questions, you can unmute and ask. Even you can type in the chat box. What is the limitation of the prompting? Again, the point is that you have to formulate the prompting properly. Again, it's just a tool which will learn from the existing data, existing things, and it gives the answers. Okay. Yeah, that is the thing. Again, if you are not prompting clearly, again, my recommendation is always give a simple sentences, a simple things. Don't give any complicated English or ambiguities based prompting. If you are doing ambiguity based prompting, means where whatever you are asking, that itself is there, some ambiguity is there in your question, then it will not give the correct answer, or because it's not able to understand that what exactly you are looking. Okay. Yeah, can it read data from web URL? Yes, definitely. Can I? I'll just use. Give me some website or your institute website link you post here. I'll prepare a summary from that. Can you just paste it here, sir? Yeah, I'll come to that topic as thesis and other things. Can you I will answer the whatever the web URL is there with respect to that. You want something to be prepared, so definitely it can give. Okay, let me share. Okay, I'll just share. Okay, one example here. Okay. So yeah, you have your website, because it will be good if you give your website because you have some information about that. Yes or no? Can anybody provide your institute website link? Oh yeah. So now what I will do is I'll prompt it. So use this URL, and again I will type URL here. Use this website. and provide a detailed summary of 2000 words. Again, you can ask what is the way. I'm just asking 2000 words summary. Okay. So now you can see that I've given your website where it is going to prompt it and gives the detailed summary of 2000 words. So even your report preparation, or let's say that you have Excel sheet, you and where the fields are different, but you want that one to be in a different way, you just upload. Your most of the NPA work and other things are there. You upload the Excel sheet and prompt it, and it will rearrange and give you. Okay. So your job will be very easy. Okay. Generally, many of the faculty they will keep says that we are working on MBA like that. So you can save hours of time. Only thing, if you have some basic Excel sheet, you upload that and you prompt it what way you want it. It will arrange and it will provide you the another Excel sheet which you can use it according to your application. Okay. See that it has given a detailed summary. Detailed summary providing a comprehensive overview of Aditya Institute of Technology and Management technically. And so you can see here Aditya Institute of Technology Management located in Srikakulam district and established in 2001. And so you can see that it is there under JNTU. Okay. And the campus is, you can see that campus is around 50 acres. Okay. And accreditation ranking, NAC, NBA, NIRF. Okay. And so coming to the academic programs where we have undergraduate programs, so where even that details also you have to validate. Only thing you just take this data and validate whether it is correct or not. Okay. So this way infrastructure facilities and library related and transportation related, placement related, entire detailed summary around 2000 words it has given here. Got it, sir? Pedagogical, yes, pedagogical expertise can seems to generate counter-based on a data pattern, not teaching experience. Can you elaborate, sir, your question with example? Okay. Teaching, learning, pedagogy you are talking, or what is exactly, sir? Sri Hari, sir. Can you unmute and actually, what we are doing is we are also working on some AI model. AI may suggest activities that are hard to implement in a classroom. No, it's not like that. It is according to your prompting. Based on the prompting, it will provide. And if you give proper prompting, even it will simplify and it will ask the question. Can you give an example such that we'll prompt it and ask? Okay. No, there is nothing like that. Again, if you want, as I told, medium level, difficult level, intermediate level, that way you can ask. And it will prepare the same question. It will formulate the question like according to that, actually. Okay. So this way, even you can prepare a summary. So let's say that you want to have, you are already having a something and you want to modernize your institute web page in a different way. Yes, you can give entire web page and ask it to generate a new web page very effectively. You have to put every question properly, clearly. Then only it will formulate and it gives to you. Okay. So. Yeah, I'll explain you what is exactly you are saying. We are working on something called computer vulnerability. It means this is the programming mistakes what software developer does, and that will come as a product. Okay, and once it is releases, so that software vulnerability can be exploited by the attacker, and as a result, there is again somebody's data can be compromised, somebody's credentials will be compromised, even account can be compromised, even money will be transferred from that. These are all some things what it happened. So in order to train the programmers, so we are building a AI tool such a way that AI tool will systematically train the student how to write a programs and without any vulnerability, and it will train you, it trains each construct how to use what are the things, and it will give the problem. Again, easy problem, it will give 2 to 3, and it will ask student to program it. So one student program it, and it will verify that is there any vulnerabilities are there. Again, if there is a vulnerability, it will also inform that because you are coding like this is the problem will come. And that is something what we are building as now. This is our own AI model which we are building here, such that we can train the student how to program it without any vulnerability, without any errors, programming errors. Again, security issues. Okay. So that's something what we are building as an AI tool. Yes, there are other AI tools also there which will train the student. It will even test the knowledge. Whatever we are building AI tool, even this tool will test the knowledge of the student. Let's say that he learned 10 topics, and it will ask the question paper 1, and it will ask second question paper, third question paper. And based on that, it will tell him whether he's a moderate understanding he has, or expert understanding he has, or is good in the programming. That's something what it will assess, and it will even grade it. So that is the tool what we are currently building. As part of one of the funded project, we are doing that one. Considering the classroom dynamics, available resources, and the student prior knowledge, etc. Sir, actually, this is again, I'm not saying you to do this all in the classroom. Before going to the classroom itself, you prepare everything and go and use it. Okay. So such that you can do now. I think Google Classrooms you can use it, where you can post the assignment. For that, you can you don't need to have any subscriptions and other things. Okay. Again. See, your constraints I'm unable to understand. Okay. The classroom dynamics and things. Okay. Fine. Anyhow, if you elaborate, I can help out. Okay. So what is about Salesforce? So again, what is this topic, sir? It is a Salesforce in brief. I didn't get Gopal sir. You are saying something. I didn't understand. It is related to data mining, some topic what you are saying, or some other. Okay, fine. Again, the objective of this one is these tools are there for you. You can use it and you can make your job very simple, and such that you can concentrate on more on the effective teaching, effective learning, effective. You can use it. Okay. So now let's move on to the other domain. Okay. I hope you. If you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll move on to the other topic. Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Sir, can we suggest to this AI that using the methodological role play explain the students of phenomena? I mean, prepare a demonstration of flexible manufacturing using role play. Will it suggest anything? Can we try that one?
Can you type, sir? What is the thing you are asking? Because your audio is little low.
Okay, sure.
Please type, sir. I will use that. Yeah, can we change the characteristics of the graph? Yes. Again, what do you mean by characteristics of the graph? What are the characteristics, sir? You want x-axis to be y-axis or y-axis or something like that, or again, if you properly prompt your chat GPT means your AI tool will provide that. Okay. If you want, you try it, sir. You will get it. Okay. Fine. Okay. There is a question which has been asked. Let me copy. Let me share and prompt it. Prepare demonstration of flexible manufacturing system using role play. This is something related to mechanical engineering, I think. You can see that what is the answer it is giving. Here is the comprehensive guide, role play demonstration of a flexible manufacturing system. This activity is designed for classroom and training environment to visually demonstrate that how flexible manufacturing production can be done. So you will need five to six participants. Yeah, it has given something which you can. Yes, sir. Are you able to see, sir, whatever the prompt response you got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is something what you are asking, or you want something to be more refining, or you want to use paper and other tools. Okay, that also you can ask. Index cards, sticky notes you can use. Okay, and phase one, it has given a detailed description, normal operation, and phase two, machine background, and phase three, it is given, and then yeah. Okay. Yeah. So again, if you want further proven out, you can also query it, and you can narrow down, and you can get things done. Okay, means you can get the entire problem statement. Means whatever the things you want, you can achieve. You can get it here. Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Okay. Uh, so now, once upon a time, when you talk about any other questions on this teaching learning related things? So start using, you will become expert, and you can save huge time, and you can do effective learning.
Recording stopped.
Okay. So now I will move on to the other one, that is research. Okay. See, all administrative job also you can do. Okay. So let's say that you want to send a letter to the HOD asking.
Recording in progress.
This particular CRO for a particular experiment, you want to buy it. Okay. So again, what is the thing? What is the CRO specifications you want, or what is the equipment specifications you want? You can Google it. Okay, and you can ask again particular equipment you want to buy it. You can get it, and even list of vendors, addresses. So which typically takes longer time for you to do. It may be 3 days or 1 week. So you can get it everything in 10 minutes, and you can verify it, analyze. Within 1 hour, you have entire thing, and you can submit to the procurement process. Okay, so that's something what you can do. Let's say that you want to procure the GPU card based. So let's say I'll just ask you. I will prompt it. Please provide is provide GPU card based GPU workstation or server for AI experimentation. I'm just saying the budget 12 lakhs is there. I want workstation computer specifications with which is meant for AI experimentations. Okay, so that
Recording
is something
stopped.
I'm generating here. So we can see that I'm prompted this one. So majorly our time
Recording in progress.
So we are saving this one by using this. Okay. So anyhow, it's prompting. Even you can give even detailed things also. You want what is the type of monitor, size of the monitor, other things also you can give. So see that. Yeah, so this is the thing what it is given. Threadgripper is a very good processor. Okay, AMD Ryzen 9 based. Okay, and even you can see here detailed specifications. This AMD Ryzen Threadgripper where 24 core processor is there, 5.3 GHz, 48 GB total VRAM. Again, 24 GB graphics card it is being given here. Let's see that. Two graphics card. So you can see that two graphics card NVIDIA's RTX 4098. Even you can now, it will also give some other alternatives. Okay. And then motherboard is this one, and memory is going to be a 128 GB RAM. Okay, so again, based on the budget, you can use it. And again, if you want, even it is taken a 50,000 rupees for UPS. Let's say that you have already UPS supply, then you don't give UPS and use this 50,000 in GPU card somewhere you can add it. So in that case, it will change the specifications also. Okay. So this is a very handy tool where you can use it and prompt it, and where you can get the specifications, procure it, even a list of vendors you want to find out, list of local vendors near Visakhapatnam, Vizag. Okay. So who supplies this one? You can also get it. Okay. So again, it saves a lot of time for even the procurement of the process. Again, you name anything, we can apply AI tools and we can do this one. Okay. You can ask addresses also. With addresses also it will be. Okay. This way you can use this one. Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Any questions on this? Or any specific questions you have, such that I can answer that? Fine. If there is no questions, let me move on. So coming to the research point of view, many people will say that research is very challenging, something like that. Now it is not like that because with the help of AI tools, things has become very easy. You don't need to have any IEEE subscriptions and other things. You tell a topic and it will find out and it will prompt it and give you all the content. Or you have IEEE paper which you want to analyze it, understand that paper. Again, you don't need to read anything. I'll just share you how it is going to be done. Okay, or you have some research paper also you can give. I'll just tell you how it is going to help you out. Okay, let me find out some research article on my desktop. Okay, this is yes, madam. Yeah, this is not. I'm not. Let me take some article, research article. This is something which we have submitted. I don't want to. Yeah, let me take. You suggest any one topic because which is common to all, such that I can tell you how to do literature survey. How simple nowadays. Okay, that's something what I will illustrate. Yes. Can I do some? Otherwise, I will use. Okay, 1 second. Stop. Okay, is EEG signal analysis for abnormality detection? Okay, fine. I will use this one. Again, EEG signal analysis from the where, sir? From this one, sir. What you are saying is okay. Let me share the screen. So please provide detailed literature survey and taxonomy and research gaps on EEG signal analysis and abnormality detection. Okay, so that is something is the topic which I'm right now I'm given. So I will go for a Pro 3. That is the thing. Yeah, I have chosen Pro only. Okay. So now what is the thing is it collects all the research papers. It goes deeper analysis. Okay, and it will give detailed literature survey. Okay. So right now it is doing. So you can see that the feature extraction approaches like time domain, frequency domain, and time and frequency domain related. Okay. And non-linear. Okay. This is the things what it is given analysis. So and even classification models, traditional machine learning models, deep learning models, what are the things are there? And even a detailed literature survey it provides. And the research gap, what are the research gaps are there that is being given here? Okay, and visual aids also it has been given here. Okay, so now what I will do is I will ask it to provide it as an infographics way, or even you want So now whatever the literature it has been given, it will put it in a very nice format. Okay. It will provide you. No, you can use, there is something called deep research. Okay, I forgot to use this earlier. It option is here. So now let's take this one, same thing. Whatever is there, the prompt earlier I have done. So no, not this one. Sorry. So when I'm asking this one and I'm giving the same prompt and I'm using the tools, so I'm asking this one to give a detailed, deep research. Okay. So that is something what I'm selecting here. Start new chart. Okay, that will provide a deep research. Okay. So you can see that what is the difference here right now. Okay. And I want this one as a create a image. Sorry, it is asking only one. Okay, I will take deep research only right now. Okay. So I want a deep research on this. Okay. So in that case, it refers the research papers, but it will take more time. Some 5 to 10 minutes it will take. It collects all the literature that is available. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, here is the great card. There is something wrong here. Yeah, you can see here the deep research, whatever we are asking here. So you can see that EEG abnormality detection, that is the thing, what research topic. So where it has done web searches. So you can see that what are the web searches, all the things it has been collected. You just go analyze, you have to see that. And it has prepared analysis report, analyzing things. And it has created a report. So now you can start research on this. So now it will perform more detailed analysis. Because whether your prompting is correct or not, that is something what it has. So now it started analyzing. So it takes some more time. It does detailed research. All the papers it analyzes and it collects the information. See that modern, easy analysis framework, disorder specific data synthesis. Okay. So right now, what are the thinking process it is being taken under the analysis is these are next research phases are in that. Okay. What are the website it has been used? So that are all some things what it is shown here. So still it is going on. It is crawling the entire internet. Means it is searching entire internet and so now you can see that disease specific neural markers. Again, you can also and then deep learning evolution, validation of integrity and generation. So it does a very deeper research analysis on this. Okay, so that's the advantage of this tool. Okay, especially when it comes to the research point of view, this tool is very useful. AI is going to be more useful. so that we can because if you want to read so many research papers and understand and bring a taxonomy, it takes quite a lot of time. But by using this one, it is very easy for you because here there is nothing wrong in doing this one because you are using your assistant where the assistant will read and tell you this is the thing, this is the thing, this is the thing. So from that you can understand and you can adapt it and you can also refer that paper if you want to cross verify and all the things. Okay, got it. There is nothing wrong in doing this kind of things. Again, there is a because ultimately you are applying your knowledge, your thought process in solving the problem. Okay. Yeah, it takes more time. So you can see that around only 15% only it has been completed. It does detailed, deeper analysis. See that it has taken IEEE papers and some other journal papers, other things, which it has been considered in analyzing. Okay. Yeah, it's still doing. Okay. Uh, So again, sir, already, elliptic Caesar size, okay, I've not done that one. Oh, you're given later. Not a problem, we'll do this, okay. How to handle plagiarism issues with the AI generative content. See, the point is that this is something, for that also there are tools are there, where humanizable writing tools are there, which you can use it, okay, and such that you can write, or you can, you ask AI to generate the content and you write it your own way, such that your plagiarism can be removed. That's another approach you can follow. Yeah, it is possible to humanizable content without. Yes, there are tools are there which will provide a humanizable things which will not have any plagiarism. You need to get permission from authors to copy the content. So why are you copying the content? I didn't get your question, sir. Sir, actually, research paper that is already published. That paper you are reading and you are understanding and you are applying your own concepts and you are solving the problem. Mm, yeah, is it your question is something like that? No, copyrights. Again, here I'm not doing anything, sir. Actually, the copyright is, sir. Again, coming to the copyright, I will also answer one more thing. You know, you have seen patents, yes or no? You specify the patent document, you upload it. So now entirely, let's say you want code for that patent, it will provide. Your AI tool will provide. Okay. So again, in the AI, in this AI era, patenting something is again. I don't want to comment on that. Okay, so even patents you can upload and you can understand how they have implemented, what is the code behind that, algorithm behind that, approaches, methodology, and flaws, and how to improve. All those things even you can do, sir. But copyright you don't need to worry because these AI tools are trained. So when we prompt it, it will extract the data. Somewhere somebody posts that PDF documents. Okay, so that documents it will take, it will analyze and it will give the results. If our paper is not yet published, can we use unpublished content using AI tool? So you want to upload and you want to do, then you can do. If you upload and do some things tomorrow, somebody prompt, then your paper content also it will provide. Okay, so unpublished things don't upload in the AI tool because you are training that one. So it will learn from that, and if somebody prompt that, it will also show that content. Yes. So you can see still it is going on. So this is a deep research. So you can see the results of this one. Okay. So generally it will take 6 months to understand one topic detailedly as to become an expert researcher. So now you see that within 1.5 hours, we will get the expert analysis on a given topic. That's the power of AI tools. Okay. Yeah, almost another 25% is there. It is analyzing right now. You can see on your screen. Yeah, meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Yeah, you have to prompt correctly. That's the thing I was repeatedly telling you. So now something beyond that, like customizing the AI tools. In the sense, again, you see here the objective of this workshop is how I can use AI tools for research, teaching, and learning point of view. Okay, that's something what I am demonstrating. So again, you want to make your own AI tool. We are doing that one actually. We are building our own AI model which will act as a tutor. So we are also we call that one as a AI tutor for secure coding. That's a tool what we are building. So in that case, you can build everything by our own things. Okay. So initial POC, proof of concept, we have built by using this Gemini only. Later, we are building our own AI model which we are taking, and where we are building this one. So we are doing this one for C, C++, Java, and Python and Go languages. We are doing this one. Okay, we are building this. How AI impact on higher learning, higher order thinking skills? Yeah, definitely. It makes it is easier for student to understand some things by prompting multiple examples, multiple ways. Definitely, it will improve his understanding, and where he can also apply his knowledge, where he can solve the complex problems. So definitely, it is going to be very useful when compared to the conventional approach. Okay. Ultimately, the what is the goal of the student and faculty is. Faculty goal is to train the student, and the student goal is to learn and how to apply, how to get the things done. Again, he should not remember anything. Okay, yes or no? Today we don't need to.